Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're going to draw and paint a monster truck. Are you ready for some loud, bouncy, and big fun? Let's get started. Monster trucks are not regular trucks. They're built with super strong engines so they can jump over cars, crush things, and do cool tricks in the air. Did you know? Monster truck tires are as tall as a grown-up person, almost 5 to 6 feet tall. That's like stacking 3 or 4 of your school bags. Some monster trucks have names like Grave Digger, Bigfoot, or El Toro Loco. They sound like superheroes, right? When a monster truck jumps, it can go as high as a 2-story building. That's almost like flying. Monster trucks are so popular, they even have their own shows called Monster Jam. People love to watch them race, spin, and crush things. Monster trucks come in all kinds of colors: red, blue, green, even pink with flames or lightning bolts. What's your favorite color for a monster truck? Great job! Our monster truck looks ready for action. Maybe one day, you'll drive one and do awesome stunts too. Like and subscribe to watch such more videos.